Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and this is the Smoked Espresso Martini. Happy New Year, everyone. We're doing our annual cocktail video today with a Smoked Espresso Martini. This is really simple. I'm not gonna do a lot of ingredients. I have a bartender, a mixologist friend who is like, don't overcomplicate it. It's essentially 4 ingredients, and I'm gonna be honest with you, before I tested this recipe, I'd never even had an espresso martini. And as soon as I did, I was like, what have you been doing with your life? These are delicious. So I'm gonna brew up the espresso in the AeroPress today because I don't have an espresso machine. We're gonna do 45 grams. A nice fine espresso blend. 47, that'll work. Got the hot water coming out of the kettle. We're gonna try to get about 190, 200 grams of water in there. This just takes a minute to settle. I'm gonna hydrate that espresso as we go. 192, 345. This AeroPress is a great way to do like 1 drink at a time. My wife uses this thing every single morning. I'm gonna pop the top on. Now this quantity is gonna get you 2 martinis, but for now we're just gonna let this rest and steep before we press it out. I gave that a few minutes, so it'll be nice and strong, and then we're gonna give it the press. This needs to chill down before we make the martini, so I'm gonna go throw it in the fridge. So now we're gonna make some smoked simple syrup with our smoked turbinado sugar. Just equal parts, 1 tablespoon each of the sugar and the hot water. Give that a stir until it's dissolved. Love the smoky aroma that's coming off of this. Let's mix this thing up. We're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of Tito's. We're gonna add our espresso in, half that amount, so 2 tablespoons. Forgive me for not having the proper tools. I am not a bartender. Then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coffee liqueur. Choose your favorite. We're using the grind today. And then finally that smoked simple syrup, which is gonna add all the smokiness to it. Again, 1 tablespoon. So here's the thing. We're gonna add ice, but first we're gonna shake it dry. Learned from a bartender friend of mine that this is gonna help you get a little bit of that froth on top of the espresso martini. If you just shake it dry first and then add the ice. I'm gonna go nuts on it. Ooh, we got a little froth. So now let's add some ice to chill it down. We're gonna smoke this glass just to add a little bit more smoky flavor to it. We'll light up some wood chips on our wood plank. And we'll pop that glass right on top of there. Kills the flame, fills it up with smoke, looks really beautiful. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's gonna be plenty of smoke. I'm gonna strain this right into our coupe glass. Ooh, there's that caramel on top. Just right. I can't believe I waited this long to try an espresso martini because it's freaking delicious. Look, if you're watching this the day it comes out, it's New Year's Eve. I don't know about you, I'm 41 years old. I'm gonna need a little bit of coffee to stay up till midnight. And if you can have a little fun at the same time, this is probably your solution. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out ATBBQ.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything that you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made. And seriously, be good.